Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your Ashita from my channel Ashita the Related. Today in this video is all about Amazon Pantry haul. Guys, this is the very first time I bought products from Amazon Pantry, so let me review that. So guys, if you guys are interested in this video, please do watch till end, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe me. Then without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Guys, let me discuss what are all the products which I got and what is the actual price of those products and for what price I got. Let me compare that, what is the actual price and for what price I got from Amazon Pantry. Then at the last, let me also discuss whether it's worth to buy or not. So guys, here is all of my products, and actually it was well packed with a cardboard box, but I have thrown that and left is only this cover. So let me review one by one. Guys, the very first product which I got from Amazon Pantry is Fortune Rozana Basmati Rice. This is of 1 kg Basmati rice, and here it is like the MRP is 130. I have bought this two products. Where is my another one? Actually, I have buy two of basmati rice. Let me show you. It's here. Yeah. This is for 67 rupees and this is for 67 rupees. 67 plus 67 I got for 134 both of this, where individual will cost of 130 rupees. Okay guys, the next product which I got is Khadi Multani Mitti powder, and this is of 100% natural, and I think this is of 200 gram. And here it is like its MRP is 150 rupees, but I got this for 140 rupees. And you can see the packing and all, it was good and there was no damage also, and I got discount of 10 rupees. And this Multani Mitti is 100% natural, and yeah, it is of 150 rupees and it's of 200 gram Ayurvedic one. So guys, all the product links will be on my description. If you are interested, you can go and check it out once. And the next thing which I got is Colgate MaxFresh Mega Save 20. You will get pack of 2 150 gram plus 150 gram. And totally it is of 300 gram. Here like its MRP is 178 rupees. It's like it is of 178 rupees, but I got this product for 138 rupees, approximately 20 to 30 bucks discount. So Colgate MaxFresh. Okay guys, the next thing which I got is this Flama Gel Bar celebration pack, buy 4 and get 1 free. Actually, I never used this Flama soap before. It's a gel bar, so thought of trying this once. And you'll get pack of 4, that is buy 3 and get 1 free, and all are of different colorful. Total weight is of 625 gram, and here its price is like 259 rupees, but I got this product for 242 rupees, approximately 10 to 13 rupees discount. That's it. I should try this soap. I never tried this before. And the next product which I got is this what I can say, biodegradable garbage bag, which is of medium sized, and it is in the size of 48 centimeter cross 56 centimeter, on roll with detachable tie tapes. You'll get 30 garbage covers. This is of medium size. You'll get small and large size also, and this is worth of 82 rupees, but I got this product for 64 rupees. And this is a garbage cover. And the next thing which I got is this Matrix Smooth Straight Shampoo plus Conditioner. Guys, if you buy a shampoo separately and this conditioner separately, then the price might be higher. So you can buy this as combo. So here the individual price, let me tell you, this is of 275 rupees and this is of 345 rupees. The shampoo is cost of 345 rupees and the conditioner cost of 275 rupees. If I add both of two, it will be approximately 610 something, but I got this for 553 rupees. So combo offer I got for 553 rupees. Guys, this Matrix shampoo will be so good. It makes your hair smooth and even the smell of the product is so good. Actually, I made a product review on this Matrix shampoo with Matrix conditioner. So if you want to watch that video, I will be attaching somewhere on this I button. You can, if you are interested, you can go and watch it out. But this shampoo is too good and even the smell of the product is so good, and it also makes your hair straight and it doesn't damage to your hair, and that's the best part. And this shampoo is all-time favorite, so I always use this product. Since this product was got over, so I thought of buying this, and I would suggest you to buy with combo offers. Don't buy individual, guys. The product price will be more. So the next thing which I got is Zigzag Charcoal Colgate brush, removes germs in between teeth. Buy 4 for 99 rupees. And this is not a soft brush, this is of medium brush, medium. You'll get soft, medium and hard. This is of medium one. Zigzag Charcoal Anti-Bacterial, and here it's like it's of 99 rupees, but I got this for 72 rupees, that's it. And you'll get 4 brush. With that you will also get caps also. Softness is of medium. And with this I also brought another brush. This is Colgate Gentle Sensitive, specially designed for sensitive teeth. Buy 4 at 120 rupees, and here also you'll get with caps and you'll get with 4 different colors. This is also from Colgate, but this is of 120 rupees and this is of 99 rupees. This is ultra soft, but this is of medium soft. So this is flexible neck, it has flexible neck, ultra soft bristles, specially designed for sensitive teeth. I use both this brush, this Zigzag Charcoal brush and this ultra soft Colgate sensitive brush. Both are good, so thought of buying both. So I got this approximately 70 rupees and the actual MRP is 99, and this one is of 120 rupees, but I got this for only 99 rupees. So all are discount, guys. All products are discount. It has discount. So yeah, the next thing I got is Exo Anti-Bacterial Touch and Shine Round, with which it also has free Exo Super Scrubber worth of 15 rupees inside a pack of 2. Here the MRP, let me tell you the MRP. Yeah, here the MRP is like it is of 138 rupees and it is of 1.4 kg. Both weight is of 1.4 kg. This is of 138 rupees, but I got this for only 113 rupees, approximately 80 rupees per piece. 80 rupees or 80 rupees, and the MRP is like 138 rupees, and this is super saving pack and it is heavy also. And with that I also bought this Exo Safai Exo Family Healthy Family 100% rust free stainless steel pack of 3. And guys, here the individual price, each individual, what is this, stainless steel brush, each individual cost of 15 rupees, 15 of 45 rupees, but I got this product for 35 rupees, 10 rupees discount. Literally this product will be useful for milk vessels or hard stains in it. For those vessels, this product is so efficient. So with this I also brought the same kind, but this is of Scotch-Brite, super strong, tough stain removal, heavy stain cutters. Similar to that only guys, but this is of hard materials, still hard materials. And here it's like the MRP is 50 rupees, but I got this product for 45 rupees, 5 rupees discount. This is effective, but more than this product is more effective. And the next thing which I got is Godrej Protekt Master Blaster Hand Wash 1.5 liter refill value pack, and you can wash up to 1200 plus wash. You can use 1200 plus wash. It is of 1.5 liter. And guys, this is worth of 199 rupees. This is of 199 rupees, but there was an offer, so I got this for 145 rupees on Pantry section itself. So I never used this Godrej one, but before I used Dettol, Santur, like that. So I thought of let me try this one, so I buy this. It's from Godrej, and this is also super saving bag. And the next thing which I got is Surf Excel stain eraser. And guys, each weight is of 150 gram, and this is of 16 rupees. Pack of 3. Actually there was another cover in it, but I just removed that. I think my mom used already one soap in this. There was 4. And I got this product for 40 rupees. Guys, the last product which I got from Amazon Pantry is Scotch-Brite save 30 rupees on 5 wipes, sponge wipe multi-purpose. You'll get pack of 5, and this is size is also large enough, that is of 20 centimeter cross 17.5 centimeter, and this is of 320 rupees, but I got this for 280 rupees, approximately 40 rupees discount. This sponge wipes makes your work easy while you are working on kitchen, because it's so useful guys. You can use this for multi-purpose, like we literally use this all time. This 4 wipes, I think, yeah, this is the 5 wipes will be extend till 8 to 9 months, because the product quality is also so good. You can use this for kitchen counter applicants or glass top, like that. It absorbs 10x absorption. If you have any stains or any spelt out watery or liquidy content, this wipes makes easy to clean it off, and you can easily wash it off. So that's the best part, and it is reusable. One single wipe you can use approximately 1 month or more than that until it damage, because the product quality is good. So the product cost is also much. It is of 320. So guys, now let me tell you my experience of buying these products from Amazon Pantry, and let me tell you whether it's worth to buy or not. Friends, this, as I said you before, this is the very first time I bought all this product from Amazon Pantry. According to me, all the products are well packed and all are genuine products, and all the expiry dates and manufacturing dates and all correct. It's not at all expired. And another part is you will also get a return for some products. There will be like return also available. You need to check it off. I think all the products I got minimum 10 rupees offer, whereas if you buy these products or local markets, the same MRP price you need to pay. So instead of that, why to take risk, why to go outside and buy? Instead of that, you can go and order on Amazon, such that you'll get home delivery. And guys, if you purchase more than 799 rupees only, then you will get free delivery. If not, if it is like below 799 rupees, then you need to pay a delivery fees like 60 rupees or 40 rupees, depends on what all the products you selected. Apart from that, if you want to make a payment via cash on delivery, you can do cash on delivery, or if you want to do in debit card or credit card or online payment, you can do. But I would recommend, or I would suggest you to pay via Amazon Pay. For most of the product, you'll get cash back. via if you pay through Amazon Pay, and that's the best part. Like this is of 200 rupees means almost 30 rupees will get cash back, like that. It depends on product also, there only it will be mentioned like it has if you pay via Amazon Pay you'll get this much of cash back, like that. So I think minimum 150 to 200 rupees you'll get cash back itself. So if you wish to pay on Amazon Pay, you can pay, and that's also genuine. You will get 100% cash back. Now guys, whether it's worth to buy or not, for me, for the very first time I purchased on Amazon Pantry. So before that I was never purchased because I saw the reviews like there was a damage in their products, like that. Yeah, it will happen one time, but there will be a returnable option also. You can contact the customer care and you can resolve. But for me, for my first order experience was so good. All the products were so well packed and all the products are genuine, and expiry date and all it's good. So I think it's definitely worth to buy because you are getting a discount on each and every products, and that's the best part. And let me know your experience of buying products from Amazon Pantry. Let me know your experience. How was your experience? How you got your products? Please do comment me on my comment section. And that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. And please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you so much.